Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about biosimilar development and the challenges and opportunities that come with it. Biosimilars have the potential to revolutionize the healthcare industry by increasing access to affordable, life-saving treatments. But with great potential comes great challenges. The first challenge in biosimilar development is manufacturing. Biosimilars are complex biological drugs, and the manufacturing process must be carefully controlled to ensure consistency and quality. Even small variations in the manufacturing process can affect the final product, so manufacturers need to be able to replicate the process every time. Once the biosimilar has been manufactured, the next challenge is to demonstrate its safety and efficacy. Clinical trials are necessary to do this, and they can be costly and time-consuming. In addition, the trial design must be sensitive enough to detect any potential differences between the biosimilar and the reference product. Regulatory approval is also a challenge in biosimilar development. Regulators require extensive data to demonstrate biosimilarity and safety, and the regulatory pathway can be complex. Developers must also be able to navigate the differences in regulatory requirements between different countries and regions. Finally, once the biosimilar has been approved, it faces the challenge of gaining market acceptance. The originator biologic drug already has an established market presence and may have brand recognition. The biosimilar must be able to demonstrate its value proposition, including cost savings and equivalent efficacy and safety. So, those are some of the challenges that come with biosimilar development, but what about the opportunities? The first opportunity is increased access to life-saving treatments. Biosimilars have the potential to make treatment more affordable and accessible to more people, which can have a significant impact on public health. Secondly, biosimilar development presents an opportunity for innovation. New technologies and approaches are being developed to make biosimilar manufacturing and clinical trials more efficient and effective. By learning from the challenges and seizing the opportunities, we can continue to develop safe, effective, and affordable biosimilars that benefit patients and healthcare systems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on biosimilar development.